Earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals faster through online surveys. Explore the top legitimate survey sites, including branded surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGig, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey platforms, consider factors such as reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles thoroughly, seizing free offers, and prioritizing high-paying surveys. Follow best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to protect your data. Watch out for red flags such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for personal information, and complex qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate, typically taking only 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or bonus points as rewards. Companies value your opinions and pay for your insights to gather crucial market research and consumer feedback. Start making money today by taking online surveys.